Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create a text design using layer mask. It's a very simple method, so anyone with a basic knowledge of Photoshop can do this pretty easily. So let's get right into this. So I've chosen this image and I have selected the object using the quick selection tool and select object. You can select this manually if you want. So now I'm going to duplicate the selection by pressing Ctrl J, and if you are using Mac then Command J, and I'm going to delete the background. Delete. Now I'm going to firstly I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to apply some color. For now I'm going to apply gray color. You can choose any color that you want. So by pressing Alt backspace I'm going to apply. I have applied Alt plus backspace. So foreground color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down any text. Before that I'm going to select half of the area. So using the rectangle marquee tool I'm going to select this half like this, and I'm going to use the layer mask. Click. First you need to select the layer, then click. So this gets hidden because we have applied the layer mask, and as you know, when we apply black color to the layer mask then it will hide the layer, and if we apply white color then it will reveal the layer. So now using the text we can create our text effect. So I'm going to write down anything. Let's say I write this. First click, top model. You can write down anything that you want, and Ctrl T to transform, and press Shift to turn it to exactly 90 degrees. And I'm using a Google font called Khand. You can use any font that you want. Make sure that the font is a thick font so the effect will pop out. So I just want to make this slightly bigger than the image like this, and keep it slightly away from the image. It shouldn't overlap or the effect won't look that good. So I will just place it slightly away from the image like this. Now we need to make selection for this text. So what we can do is we can place the text below the image, and this is the thumbnail for the text layer. Simply press Ctrl or Command, press and hold, and click on this thumbnail, so the area will get selected. Now click on the layer mask. Now remember, make sure that you are on the layer mask, not on the image. So many people get confused between the original image and the layer mask. So make sure that you are on the layer mask and not on the image. Now choose white color so that it will reveal the area like this. So this is how we can make a text effect, and now this area is looking blue because we don't have any image part over here. So we can make the text slightly smaller if you want, but this is looking pretty good to me. And if you want, you can change the background color. So if you want black color, you choose black color. It will look something like this. And let's say if you want something different, let's say blue color, so it will look something like this. So as you can see, this is a very simple method. Anyone can do this using a layer mask and a bit of text. So this is how we can create this text effect, cool text effect, and you can use it in your designs. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.